Hey, what's up my good people? I'm gonna show you the fuse box locations on a Mazda CX-5, the all-wheel drive version AWD. So this comes with two fuse box locations, and the first fuse box location is going to be on the engine compartment. So pop up the hood, and here we go. Right on the driver side, you see this black box, not this one but the one next to it, like here. And all you need to reach out on each side, it got a tab. You place and pull it up. Once you pop it up, there we go. This is the first fuse panel. It got some fuses and some relays, as you can see. And now the fuse diagram, flip up the cover, and as you can see, it got the fuse information on the back of the cover, all the fuses and the fuse amperage and their function. It got also comes with the fuse putter and some spare now to put the cover back together, line up the tabs, push, and it's going to click in place just like that. If you're liking this video, give it a thumbs up. Also subscribe to my channel. Thank you for your support. And let me show you the next fuse box location. Is going to be inside the cab, opened on the driver side, and right below the power steering on the left side by the door jamb. You'll find this enclosement like here. There is this cover here. Just reach out and pop it out, and here we go. It's another small fuse panel there that got quite a number of fuses. These are the fuses that cover the interior features. And on the back of the cover, again, we find the fuse diagram that giving the fuse information. And now to put the cover back together, you just line up those tabs again. Just like that. And push it, and it's going to lock in place. And now those are the two fuse box locations on the 2019 Mazda CX-5. Subscribe, stay tuned, and let me know what you think on the comment section.